Hey cousins, welcome to another video from Loving Every Stitch by Ruby Baby. I'm Ruby Baby, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I learned how to make a yarn ball with a center pull using no tools. So no ball winder, no broomsticks, no knitting needles, no toilet paper rolls, just yarn and your hands. This technique is great if you have hanks that you want to ball up, or if you're like me and have a bunch of floppy skeins laying around your craft room and you want to make them nice and neat and usable. I prefer the center pull when I'm using my skeins, so this was absolutely amazing for me to learn. Or if you want to use double strand, you want to use both strands, you can still use the center pull and the outside string to double up your yarn. Like, how amazing is that? Okay, so here I have crazy skein and flat and deflated skein. And now I want to turn those crazy skeins into balls that pull from the center that'll look like these. So are you ready to see me do it? All right, let's do it. So what I'm doing right now is just pulling some yarn out of the center skein. And then I'm going to lay a tail in my hand. And then I'm going to raise my thumb. I'm just going to use my thumb. And we're going to wrap the yarn around my thumb. And while we're here with our thumbs up, why don't you just give this video a thumbs up? Smash that like. Okay, so as we're holding our yarn in our hand, we are going to begin to wrap the yarn loosely around our thumb in a diagonal motion from the bottom working up. And as we're wrapping, we're only using the top portion of our thumb. You're gonna wrap around your thumb in that diagonal motion a few times loosely, and then we're gonna change directions and continue to wrap in the same way. And if you look here, you can see that now we've created kind of like an X formation on our thumb. From this point on, we're gonna wrap a little, swivel a little, wrap a little, swivel a little. So we'll wrap and we'll swivel slightly. Wrap some more, swivel slightly. And all while you're wrapping, remember these things. 1, keep your wrap loose. 2, continue to wrap in a diagonal motion from bottom to top of your thumb, bottom to top. 3, keep your thumb in the hole. 4, keep your tail in the palm of your hands. So that's pretty much it. Just continue to wrap and swivel, and eventually you'll have a yarn ball with a center pull. So now I'm going to demonstrate one more time using this white yarn without all the talking. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. So, what did you think? Now you have a wonderful yarn ball with a center pull. It's so beautiful and so uniform, and you made it with your own hands. So I also wanted to show that just in case, it's okay if you need to put it down for a minute and come back to it later, which is what I did with this ball. You can see you can just put your thumb back in the hole and put the tail back in your hand and get wrapping again. I also want to show you how I anchor the last portion of the ball. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make all the center pull yarn balls your heart desires, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye!